Also go by Web Mega on different social platforms. I will leave the links in below where you can find me somewhere else. I'm going to teach you how to use Advanced Custom Field, ACF, how to make a mega menu nice and simple when making multiple field groups. Okay, what I'm going to show, as you can see here, I'm just to demonstrate what we're going to make. If you click here, what you see is rich text, and this is just normal text field, and you can add as many as you like. I've automated this in 50% and 50%. Now, and you can tab. You can have as many as you want, and you can change the percentage. Don't worry, I'm going to go very slowly and show you how to do this instead of have it all unorganized. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to plugins. You're going to need Advanced Custom Field Pro. It's only a pro way to doing this, but it's worth so doing it. It makes so much easier. Okay. So the first we need to do is go to plugins. I've already got Advanced Custom Pro myself. So what you need to do, ACF, install it, buy the Pro version, put the licenses, come back here, and then you're up Pro. Because I've just shown you what I've just done, I'm going to delete what I've done. I'm going to show you exactly how I've just done it. Okay, so we're just going to delete this, and then we're going to go to ACF. We're going to delete the field, and then we're going to delete the post type. So we're going to make it nice and simple. If you get stuck, pause it, rewind. If you like what I'm doing, give it a like, give me a sub, and let me know how I get on. And see if you like it. And let me know what you like. Let's get straight into it. Let's put movies, movie, tap. We've not got no taxonomies right now. We will do taxonomy on another video. We'll go straight down, hello article, click onto this, also click on Advanced Confederations, and click, I personally take editor off, because I will personally add another one on top. What you get for the field inside itself. Also, come down to visibility, come down to here. I want my post type to be on the far left, up here. I want it right above the dashboard. So you click number in the box, menu position, number 1. We're also going to give it a little picture. It's just easy to navigate, seeing different things. Let's just call it that. You can change this anytime, don't worry. And then, don't worry about the rest. Let's not overcomplicate things. We'll click Save Changes. Now we'll go into field groups. Add field. Because it's a field group, it's an extra field. So we're going to keep nice and simple. We'll just call it movies. Up to you what you call it. Extra field. We'll get that. We'll copy it, click into the little box, call it field groups. The very first thing we want to do is make it a group. Okay? We will just call that group. What am I doing? If that goes wrong at any point, delete that, click that, and you'll see it will automatically change it for you. Step 2. Of making the field group. Next thing's tab. Come to here, right tab. We'll call it nice and simple. Tab, movie. Place will be far left. Now, the reason it's far left is personally, I like them all on the far left. You can have it going across, but my preference, my personal view, is far left. So we'll do far left. When you make tabs and you want tab, but they're very small to each other, one tab to one click for new group. I will show you why in a minute. Now we add the field group. The next one we're going to do is repeater. We'll keep it nice and simple. We'll just do repeater movie. repeater, movie, nice little tap, and this is where the fun starts. Okay, follow along, you'll be fine. Add field again, and this is where you add your text field, your image, what you see, editor. Totally up to you how you do this. Personally, I do 2 to 3 per row. Okay, so click text, and just let's go text 1. Text 1, there, it doesn't make a difference. Click, click, and let's add, let's say another one. Let's call it, let's say image. Let's call it image 1. You can change as much as you like, doesn't make a difference. Go back into edit, come over here, scroll down to width and put 50, so it's 50%. Do you know when I showed you there, it's next to each other, it looked nice and tidy? This is what you do to make that happen. Go up here, go here again, go back here, scroll down to 50. Lovely. Layout, you have its rows. Personally, you can change how you want it, but I prefer it as rows. The setup should be pretty much done. On the far bottom, you'll see movies. That's your post type, equal to movies. Okay? We'll save that. We'll go to edit. And we had a couple more tabs, didn't we? So what we need to do, you can do this as you wish, but just for time, I'm going to duplicate this, go up one. See this here? Duplicate another one here. Okay, right. Do you remember I said just a minute or two back, we need to have it like this, and we need to tab a certain type of way. So anything you want inside your tab, you need to have everything under the tab. So you put the tab, then a repeater, and then it follows suit. So you get this, drag it under, grab so this is done. This looks good. Right, so here you set, it says new tab for group. What we need to do now is to change the other one and turn that one off so it doesn't look a mess. So it's nice and neat next to each other. Make sure it's far left, or it's just going to look a mess. Click save. Go to the very top, click movies, add new. As you can see here, nice and simple. You can add your text, you can add an image. Nice and easy to look at. I hope you like this video, and if you appreciate what you've watched, give it a like and share it to someone. Someone might not know how to do this, someone may not, I don't know. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm going to make some more videos like this. I'm also going to start using a page builder called Bricks. There is others out there, but that's my personal one I use. I'm not dissing any others, but that's what I personally use.